Hi guys, so I went out of town and I went to Dollar General because we do not have a Dollar General near us. So I had to, like, when I went out of town, I was like, oh, we need to stop. And I got so lucky because they had just put out a lot of their Halloween stuff. So the first thing that I got was this adorable little candy dish is what they're calling it. And it's $8. And I may use this for candy, but I may not. It's just so cute. Like, look at it. It's like, speak no evil, hear no evil, see no evil. So adorable. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. They have really cute like decor stuff. I also got this little ghost. So cute. I know this is, oops, sorry. I know this is like viral on everywhere. But I got the one with the eyes open because I thought it was cute. And I just actually been storing it just in here like this. And this was also $8. So those are adorable. And then boring, I just got this stackable bin. It was $1. And I thought this was so good. And I have just over here to the left of me, I have like this basically like something attached to my desk that has like little shelves, because you know how we have all the little things and we need them around us. So I thought this would be cute to put on the shelves. And okay, I was like, how do you stack it? This opens up and then you stack it. How cute. And it clips on pretty nice. So I thought 2 of these would be good on my shelf, and just for little things that you just need to like grab, you know. So I did get 3 of these. And then what else did I get? I also got, I'm trying to see if there's any other non-Halloween things. This was on clearance for 75 cents. And this is just a treat bag. And it's just a clear one. But I thought it's so cute. And I love these little bags. And I actually have an idea for my bags that I still have not done, but I need to. And then I also got, what else did I get? I know I got one other. This is fall, but this was $1. And I thought it was pretty. It's white. And it would be nice on a tier tray. So I did get one of these. And I think I have one other like Halloween item, but I don't know where it is, so it'll just have to come up when we get there. But I did have this adorable, oh my gosh, this is the prettiest. You guys, look at this pumpkin decor. This was $8. It is so pretty. It has like the prettiest pink, and then it has like a little touch of orange. Oh, I was so obsessed with this. I'm like, look how pretty this looks. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, anyway, guys, I have a bunch of junk over there. But I just thought this was so pretty, so I had to get it. And it's gonna go right here. I have a seasonal thing that I'm getting ready to change out. So that's what that is. Okay, and then I got these little window clings, and I just use these like you would stickers. I just put adhesive on the back, and I thought these would be cute on boxes, or even on like a little cute notebook. Like that little witch girl is so cute. She's the main reason I got it, to put on my witch. I'm in a witch swap, and I might want to put that on my packaging. So that's what that is. And then I did get this tablecloth because it's so cute, and I actually wanted to use this. It's PEVA, right? Yeah, it is. And I thought this would be cute. I have a super good idea. I'm like, should I tell you guys the idea or should I just do it? But this is so cute, and it's so much. I'm going to use it as fabric, I guess is what I'll say that. Because it's it has like, you know, that fluffy backing, and it's strong. So I'm actually going to use this as fabric, and it's going to be so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So that was just $3. I just got one of those. And then I also got these. These are Halloween drawstring bags, and this one says boo, and it was only $1, and I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of these. They're adorable, and you could use these as fabric as well, but I'm probably just going to use them as bags because they're so cute. And package some of my boo mail in. And then I got this, so it's already open because, so this is, 2 of these are like Play-Doh, and 2 of them are slime. And I just need the packaging. So I actually already gave my son the slime of this one to play with in the car because we do not bring slime in the house. And I just wanted this because I wanted the neon packaging, because these are like neons, and I'm in a neon swap. So this was only $1. So I'm going to give my son, he's going to have one more slime session in the car because, of course, after he uses it once, it's done. And then the Play-Doh he can use in the house. So I'm going to give him these. And then I'm going to use these. Look how cute they are. I'm going to use them in a swap that I am in. So these were cute, and they were only $1. I thought that was a good price for those. And then we have these little cutesy plates. And, of course, I was thinking about using this as like a loaded pocket. And they were $2. And there's 8 of them. And look at this little cutesy goatee, so adorable. So I did get him. He's so cute. And then these napkins, because I couldn't resist. What am I going to do with these? I have no idea. But look at them. I couldn't leave them there. They're only $1. Look at the back. What should I do with these napkins? You guys tell me. What are you doing with your napkins? I have only one idea for these, and it's not even a good one. So I would love to hear from you. What are we doing with it? I know people do decoupage. I'm not going to do that. Unless it's... I'm probably not going to decoupage. Is there anything else that you would do with these napkins besides decoupage? Because I know I'm not going to do that. Before I show you the ton of stickers that I bought, I also got these, and they are party favors. They were $1 for 12, and I thought these would be so cute on a dangle. And like these little 3D, because they're like small enough to put at the bottom of a dangle. So that is what I'm going to do with these. And I thought it was such a good idea. They would be so easy to just put a little hole in with a drill, or even if you have like a soldering thing and just put a quick hole. And 12 is like so many for $1. I thought that was an amazing deal. I'm definitely going to put that on a dangle. And then I got these felt stickers. They're so much prettier than the ones at Dollar Tree. I don't even get the ones at Dollar Tree because I bought the witch one from here, actually, not from the Dollar Tree, because I'm in a witch swap. And look how cute they are. They're like faux stitched. I mean, these are so nice and they're so well printed. The ones at Dollar Tree can be kind of hit or miss. Sometimes you get a good pack, but I got both of these, and these were $1 each, and I thought they were so stinking cute. And then again, neon, all the neons. So I got these treat bags. These are nice because they close like that. So I thought those were super, super cute. Oh, this is the other thing that was these were on sale. They're just gift tags, and they're a lot of different colors. So those were on clearance, which is why I got those. And then before I show you the million flat, kind of cutesy stickers that I went there for, I actually also got this box, and these are called mini sticker boxes, and they're $1. And there's 18 boxes in here, and they show you a little picture of like what you get, but I wasn't sure. So I did a sample for you guys. So these are the stickers that you get in the little black box. They're so cute. They're probably not the stickiest, but... And then this is what comes in the green box. Look at the candy corn. I thought these were so cute. I love putting these on cards. This is what comes in the blue box. So I did this so that you guys can see, because it's impossible to know. And you get so many. So I just got one pack, and they were only $1. I thought that was such a good deal. I literally love putting these, especially on the back of cards. Like, where you're putting like handmade with love by whoever. I think it's so cute to like stick some stickers on there, or even on the envelopes. So anyway, that's what that is. And I opened those up to show you guys, because I know I would like to know. And I guess this is kind of helpful, but I don't know. Just in case you want to pass these out as they are, and you don't want to go and open them all up. That's what comes with it. So anyway, that was that, $1. Excellent deal. Last but certainly not least were the novelty stickers, which is what I went there to get. So the ones that I love, I got 2 of, and I think the ones that I just like, I got 1 of. So this is a like, I think. Yes, this is a like. And this was $1, and I'm just going to show you them up close. Dun-dun-dun-dun. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. Okay, and then we have another like, but we are in a witch swap, so I did get the little witchy one. The haunted house. Oh, I'm a sucker for a haunted house. So I did get 1. No, I got 2 of those. I knew it. It's the haunted house. So it was the haunted house that got me, and the fact that I'm in a witch swap, so I may gift 1. And then this is another like, so I got 1 of these. Okay, and then we have another like, so we got 1 of those. And then this is a love, got 2 of these. This is so cute. This is what I went there for, because look how adorable. So I did get 2 of those, and then this is the other love. And the thing I love about this, the absolute most, is that there's gold. Oh my gosh. And I love these like non-traditional colors. So those were all the stickers that I got. So I stocked up in stickers. So happy. And that is my entire haul, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.